Hello, how are you? It's week 4 of the Royal Forestry Society Junior Forester Award, and this one's a good one. I'm going to enjoy this one. I've been waiting for this. This one's all about making something from wood, particularly from wood, because that's to do with forests, isn't it? Forests are where we get wood to use for all sorts of different things. So challenge 4 this week is, can you make an item from wood that will improve your environment, your site in some way? Working with wood usually means working with tools, and I know those people that have worked with me before have worked with tools. It's part of what we do quite often, but as we're not together during this time, probably not such a good idea to try and head to the toolbox and pick out all range of tools and see what you can do with them. What you do have, and what we all have, are our hands. These can be our tools, and if we mainly spend our time making something just with our hands, maybe 1 or 2 simple tools that are not going to cause too much damage, then I think we'll be okay for this one. Other than, if you find it really difficult, maybe wait until we can be back together again, and we'll have a look at it at that point. So you can wait for doing this challenge if it's a problem, if it can be too difficult, and we'll have a look at it together. But if you can have a go, and I'll show you some things that you can try using just your hands, then give it a go, see what you can do. So what sort of things could you make to improve your environment, to make it better for the creatures that are there and for any visitors that you might have? Here are a few ideas that I've just come up with, but I'm sure you'll manage to come up with some much better ones. Maybe a sign. Labels, maybe. A stump to use as a stool or a bench or seat. Benches if you feel a little bit more confident about your abilities. A fence, maybe, woven from sticks. To make this wooden item, you might need the help of a mallet. Hammers are good, but hammers can be a little bit more tricky, a little bit more dangerous. So if you have a mallet, which is a wooden handle with a rubber end, you might use them for camping, for knocking in tent pegs, then a mallet would be good for this. A forest school star, that would be good, interesting one to make. Show you how to do that just now. This project requires the use of string, so you might want to find and use very carefully a pair of scissors. This is something that we use quite often, isn't it? So I think that most people should be okay with scissors, but if you're really not sure, always check with an adult before heading off to do something if you're not entirely sure. So a pair of scissors to cut the string or the thread might be a useful tool for this particular challenge. for those that are really skilled, maybe bird boxes, bug boxes, bat boxes. That could be interesting. Table, chair, bench. For those that are really skilled, maybe a chair. That would be fantastic, wouldn't it? Might need some help from some qualified or able adults for that one. Maybe give it a try. What could you make from wood to improve your site? Always remember, if you're working with tools, to work safely for yourself and for those that are around you, and that might include pets and animals as well that you have. If you're not sure, always check with an adult. That's week 4. Make something from wood that will improve your site, your environment in some way. So let's hope you've had some fun with that. I really look forward to this one, to see what you come up with for this one. Again, always your evidence can be the thing that you've made, really. That's the main evidence that we want to see. A photograph of that would be excellent if you could share that one with us. But again, as always, a little note, a little drawing of what you've done, that would be good. And try and remember to get someone to see what you've done and to sign off to show that you've actually done it, filling in that book, and then we can get that signed off for you. That would be great. We'll see you again next time. Take care. Bye for now.